Here. Saan po tayo? Pool area sa rooftop. Ang ganda. Wow. So yan po. Kita mo yung mountain. And then the Manila Bay. You see that? The Manila Bay here? The dulo. Kita mo. Sobrang ganda. Parang ito yung pinakamataas. Itong building na to. Sobrang ganda. So yan po. Makikita mo dito yung restaurant ni Direk Somes. So si Direk Somes, yung restaurant niya dito, yung Initial Republic. You see that the under there's the side here. I cannot see there, but you see the green and gray or something black. Yeah, black. Yan po yung Initial Republic. So yan po. You see, ganda-ganda ng view. Sobra.